I absolutely love the background and I love rolling. It's going to be my new thing, and I have a few ideas for that as well. But just going in and adding the paint at different times and rolling over it just creates a very beautiful, subtle backdrop to start your painting on. Very simplistic, but it does add to the whole overall design. Now, of course, I rarely paint without any metallics. I absolutely am addicted and in love with them. They're my thing. And I just love that silver. And this color palette is very smooth and calming, and I love these warm, soft tones. And I also love how this turned out. It almost has like a cheetah print to it. Stunning. And I often use the comb, different size metal combs, to create some interest and structure and texture into my paintings. And then going in with the precision tip, of course, shimmery metallics, and adding in my little dots, which I can do with my paint pens as well, but I love doing it with the precision tip. There's something satisfying about watching the little drips come out. But I love how this turned out. Very simplistic, simple, yet modern and sophisticated. So stay safe, stay healthy. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. It is free. I will see you all in the next pour for painting.